Welcome to Linguabyte, where tech gets fun. Hey everyone, I'm Emily. John, if you could press a button and make any object appear out of thin air, what would you print first?
Oh, wow. Okay, a lifetime supply of chocolate, a jetpack, and... Actually, can I print a robot that does my homework? I feel like that's becoming a theme for me. I'm John. Hi, everyone.
Well, today's technology can't quite do chocolate yet, but almost everything else on that list, closer than you think. Because today we're talking about 3D printing.
Wait, 3D printing is real printing? Like it actually makes real objects?
100% real. Let's dive in. Okay, John, you know how when you draw a picture, you move your pencil across paper line by line?
Yeah, left, right, until the drawing is done.
A 3D printer does exactly that, but instead of a pencil on flat paper, it uses a tiny nozzle that squirts melted plastic, and it builds layer by layer, going up until a real 3D object is standing there.
Like building with Lego, but the machine lays each brick itself automatically?
That is perfect! Exactly like that! Each layer is super thin, thinner than a human hair, and they stack up hundreds or thousands of times until your object is complete.
Thinner than a hair? I can't even see that. How long does it take?
It depends on the size. A small toy might take 2 hours. A big object could take a whole day. But the coolest part? You design it on a computer first, right now. Then just press print, like magic.
Okay, I'm obsessed. But what do real people actually print? Toys? Cups?
Way more than that. Doctors print fake bones and body parts to practice surgery on before operating on real patients. They even print real hearing aids customized perfectly for each person's ear.
Wait, printed body parts? That sounds like a superpower.
Scientists are even working on printing real human organs like hearts and kidneys using living cells. And in space, astronauts on the ISS use a 3D printer to make tools they forgot to bring from Earth.
They're printing things in space? Oh, imagine forgetting your screwdriver and just printing one.
That's exactly what happens. And kids your age use smaller 3D printers to make custom phone cases, jewelry, miniature toys, and even parts for science projects.
I could print my own action figures with my own face on them? That's it. I need a 3D printer immediately. Can actual kids use 3D printers? Or is it only for scientists in big labs?
Kids use them all the time. Many schools have them in their maker spaces. And there are beginner 3D printers that are safe, affordable, and super fun. You design your object in a free app on a tablet, send it to the printer, and watch it come to life.
So I design it on my tablet, like drawing? Then it just appears as a real thing? That's basically wizardry.
Science wizardry, the best kind. And here's the mind-blowing part. 3D printers can use all kinds of materials. Plastic, metal, rubber, glass, food paste. Yes, people print actual edible food shapes with chocolate and sugar.
They print chocolate? Oh, Emily, you buried the headline. Why didn't you start with that?
I was saving the best for last.
Okay, let's recap. A 3D printer builds real objects layer by layer, thinner than a hair. People use them to print houses, body parts, space tools, and even chocolate.
3D printing is turning imagination into reality, one layer at a time. And remember, every amazing thing that gets printed started as an idea in someone's head. Maybe your idea will be printed next?
My idea is still a jetpack, and now I know someone could actually print one. I'm not giving up on this dream. See you next time on Linguabyte. Stay curious, stay awesome. Bye, everyone.